I can't tell you what you should do, and I can't tell you for a fact we're going to have inflation or deflation. But I can tell you, I listened to Harry Dent tonight, and he thinks we're going to have deflation. And I'm going to agree with him on that. I really don't have a choice because I missed everything. Gold went up, silver went up, Bitcoin went up, and they all left me at the dock. But if Harry Dent is right, the dock was the best place to be. If you're in the same boat I am in and you got left at the dock, don't feel bad. This could be one of those blue sky moments, and by doing nothing, you win. That is the way I feel right now after listening to Harry Dent. I will just keep doing what I've been doing, saving my money, and if we have deflation, I will be ready when the economy turns around. See you next time. Please like and subscribe.